here he comes. Take that, sir. Behold, a grown man weeping like...
That was your plan? Are you crying?
Yes, I'm crying. He hit me with a chair.
Army, what's going on here? Nothing. Also, Foxy, there's something on your forehead. What? Just reach on there. Oh, that band-aid. Oh, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So, what do you want to do, guys? Oh, no. Okay. Let's eat this. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom first. I think I am going to get something to eat in the kitchen, okay? Goodbye, guys. Okay, let's see here. Okay, what do I want? No. Whoa! No one's eating it. So, okay. Yeah, I can't open it, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, now it's time to eat my... Foxy! Oh, what? Yeah. Who took that out of my hand? It was me. And now you know what I'm gonna do to you when you were trying to eat my yogurt? What? It's not your yogurt. Yeah, I was gonna eat it, and I had to go to the bathroom. So now I'm gonna hurt you. Wait, Bonnie, we can talk about this. Now look what I'm gonna do to you, Bonnie. Die! That's what you get. What the heck? What is going on? Wait, I gotta look in the mirror. What was that sound? Let's not worry about that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bonnie. You really thought you could stop me, huh? Well, you should always think twice. I can't get this opened. This is hard to open. Where is he? There you are. Why is this so hard to open? Well, hopefully nothing but bad will happen to it. Who is that? Foxy? Yeah, it's me. What are you doing? Look what you did to me. You deserved it. How did I deserve it? Well, you trying to eat my yogurt. I didn't know it was yours, Bonnie. You could have just said that was mine, instead of beating me up and turning me into a piece of trash. You look okay to me. Okay? Look at my teeth. Look at my snout. Look at my eyes. Look at my body. Not like your body was ever dismantled. Bonnie! Foxy, we can talk about this. If you can fix me, then I won't hurt you. Sure. I'll fix you. Bonnie, are you sure this is not gonna hurt? Oh, trust me, it's gonna hurt a lot. Wait, what? Wow, what are you doing with that katana? Are you trying to dismantle me more? No. This is how you bring stuff back to where they were. Like, you're dismantled, so if I hit you with this, then you'll turn back into your normal self. Okay, but is this gonna hurt? It's gonna hurt a lot. Wait, what? Ah! There we go. Look, Foxy, you're better. Wait, Bonnie, this isn't the right person. Oh. Ah! Ah, there we go. That has to be you. Yeah, this is the right me. Yay, we did it. Now, I'm gonna go eat that yogurt I was eating. Okay.